But we're here, we made it. I can't believe it's so late. This is my first time actually coming to this park, so it's a little interesting. It's very pretty. But yeah, I think the exhibition is just over here, so let's go and have a look. So the first place I actually went to, it was it's a Pokemon run, so I think it's for charity or something. But they did give me directions and they told me that if I follow the park all the way around here, then I will be able to find it. So I'm gonna check it out and see if I can actually find it. I think that it's around here somewhere, so fingers crossed. This is like one of my favorite parks here in Shenzhen because let me just show you. You have this beautiful view. Like, this is so tropical and so nice. Like, I just love like coming here, and I'll take you over to the water if we have some time. But yeah, I think we can see in the distance what we're actually looking for. So I can see it at the corner of my eye. So I don't know if you can see, maybe I'll show you a little preview over there in the distance. So we're almost where we're supposed to be. I'm on this like walkway bridge that has this view of this beautiful lake that is just here. This is one of my favorite places because during the day it's not so busy. So if you do want to explore, then yeah, there's not so many people. Today it looks like there's a lot, and I think it's because of the event that's going on. So I'm gonna check it out. And what's more cool than literally a huge statue of Sun Wukong just casually like in the background. That's pretty cool. Now I've come to like the top of the stairs where I can see a pretty good view, but yeah, as you can see here, they have a pretty cool like Pikachu, which is really awesome. I'm gonna go down and see if I can get closer. So I managed to find a little spot here. Oh my god, there's a drone just in the middle of like here. But yeah, this is the Pikachu. It's really cool, right? I don't know what the event is. I think it's a Pokémon, but it's really cool having this Pikachu here. And then in the background here, you can see the tower that is here at Tower Park. So it's really cool. But I think that there is actually one more secret one that I did see online. So I'm gonna see if I can actually find it. I think we need to walk maybe like 10 or 15 minutes. And luckily it's a cool day, so I'm gonna go and check it out. And yeah, I hope that we can find it. It's starting to get a little bit busy here, so fingers crossed we're able to find it. So I actually like to call Shenzhen the city of mirrors, and there's two reasons. First of all, there's so many glass buildings around everywhere that has this metal panel, as you can see over here. But they also have in this park this kind of mirror installation, and there's another one just over there, if you're able to see that, just in the distance here. But they have a lot that's scattered around just everywhere, so I like to refer to this city as like the mirror city, if that makes sense. It's always like glass buildings. Oh, and there's a drone right there, as we can see. It's coming down, maybe giving someone's lunch. Hello, lunch. Every single time I see this tower, it makes me think of London. And you know that one tower that's in London? I just always feel like I'm in London whenever I see this tower. It's so strange. It gives me like culture shock because I'm like, am I in London? Like, what's happening? Well, I'm walking down this section here and I'm actually enjoying the beautiful view. As you can see, this huge lake, and you have Shenzhen Talent Park, which is just here. Now across that bridge just behind me here, you can actually see Hong Kong in the far distance. Can you see those little islands? That's actually Hong Kong, so that's a very interesting point. But what we did come for here, I can actually see in the distance, and I'm getting really excited because it looks huge. I don't want to show you it just yet, but we're almost there. So let's go and take a picture of it and get really close. Hopefully we can touch it, but I don't think that we're allowed to, so let's check it out. Just to put it into perspective of how big this building actually is, I've came here to take a little bit of a seat, and I just wanted to show you because it is so much bigger in person than when you just look at it in a picture or something like this. So I want to show you. I don't think that the camera's going to do it justice, but it is huge. It's just massive. It just goes all the way up to the very top here. I can touch it. But yeah, it is a huge piece of architecture here. I believe that this is the finance district or something. I'm not really sure, but at the moment they do have some type of theme park for Dreams, which is looks like it's being organized and set up right now. I don't think it's open quite yet. So we're gonna make our way around and go over to that thing that I can see in the distance. We're so close. I'm getting more and more excited. I can actually see it now. It looks so big. It looks so cool. I'll show you in just a second, but let me get a little bit closer because it looks really, really cool. So I don't know if you're ready to see it. I am very, very excited to see it. You can kind of see it peeking out from the background here. But we're here. We made it. I can't believe it is so big. Literally, they have this huge Snorlax here that is just laying on the grass. But it's really cool. I want to check it out. Just for scale, this is me standing literally right beside it. It is so big. It's so big. I wonder if we can go over to the front of it. There's a lot of people taking pictures, so I'm gonna try and be respectful and make my way around to the front, but this is so cool. So I think that this is the closest we're gonna be able to get here. As you can see, it's just Snorlax just chilling there. I'm literally right between his legs. That looks so strange. Okay, well, I think we're gonna say goodbye to Snorlax. So I think it is asleep. So we're gonna go and see if there's another one. There should be another one somewhere located around here, but yeah, this is pretty big. And I wish that you could touch it, but I can understand why. So I'm gonna respect all of these people and say goodbye to Snorlax. Bye. So I did come back here in the evening. I'm back here at the Mixed Sea, and the reason is because I heard that the Snorlax actually lights up at night. So we're gonna see if we can see it lit up in the night and see what it looks like. I think it would be pretty cool. Alright, so I don't know if you can see me right now because it is very dark. I came here actually the day after in the evening because I wanted to check it out, and it is very cool, it's very pretty. But if you did like this video, give it a like and a thumbs up. Thank you so much for supporting me on this channel. This is Callie in China, signing out. Bye, Snorlax!